Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Tayo here. So a few people have asked me for updates on my hair journey. So this was my hair 3 years ago when I lost quite a lot of hair and I had this really big bald patch in the center of my hair. And this is my hair 2 years ago. This was my hair 2 years ago during lockdown. I lost my hair again. My hair grew back after the first time, but then I lost my hair again during lockdown. And this was my hair a year ago. See, it was thinning and it was the bald patch was filling in. But yeah, this is my hair now. So I recorded this video about a week ago. So this is how my hair looks now. You can see it's not as dry. One of the reasons why I was losing my hair was it was really dry and it was just breaking off. But I've been able to find ways to keep the moisture in my hair and make sure my hair is hydrated. So if you want a full video, let me know. See, I have a lot of gray hair, but I've learned how to take care of it. And yeah, I'm not dyeing my hair. Yes, so I also use quite a lot of vitamins, iron tablets, collagen gummies, and biotin. I was told that my iron level was low, so I had to start taking iron supplements, and that has helped. Also, the collagen gummies have really improved my hair growth. But yeah, as I said, if you want more information, let me know and I'll do a full video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and bye.